What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? Well, you always just say I don't know because you don't want to answer.
No, I don't know. I know whenever I say it's going to be wrong. Where's my shit? This is mine. I think I'm just going to throw a frog right now.
Just got here.
Huh?
I said just got here. Taking a little John boat out. Bass boat's in the shop. Getting the electronics on it right now, the trolling motor. So we're gonna make do with what we have. You should push me out and I'll come up and pick you up. Alright, see you later. You gotta push me farther, I can't drop that motor. Alright, that's fine, I'll use the stick. I'll paddle out.
You were never eating past 6. Hold on.
Just kick me, give me a big boost. There you go. Yeah, meet me over there. Meet me over there. Over here. Just don't fall getting in and step on the lunch. I don't want smashables. I want crustables.
It would not have worked if I had gotten in the boat first.
Dear God. Dear God, please don't let me go down. Flip the boat.
Get a hook in my pants.
Get a hook in the face.
Okay, I'm gonna do one swift move. It's gonna be move, boom, sit.
Oh, yeah, let me see this. It's not gonna be swift at all.
It's gonna be swift.
All right.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
It's a sit, boom. Okay?
Okay.
I call this the Pops 180. Here we go. And Pops 180.
That actually was pretty swift.
And of course I can see my hand. That's not pretty good. Move? You mean like float like this?
Yeah.
No. Oh, you're the worst person I've ever fished with.
Dude, what do you mean?
Dude,
You got all the prime spots with the frog. I'm just casting wherever I can.
Look, all that around back in there.
What? How am I gonna cast back into those
Turn
elephant
around.
ears?
I don't know, but I'm in the middle of the pond or nowhere.
Okay. I'm not paddling, man. We didn't pay all this money to paddle.
Well, I go paddle.
Okay, then go ahead. Paddle this right there.
Okay. All right. We're trying to get out of the lily pad. Where do you think you're going?
I was in reverse on accident.
I'd have already been there if I was paddling.
Well, I didn't see you doing anything.
No, because you were insistent. I'm baking the cake.
Fucking hit the fucking boat.
How do you spell Sable? S-T-E-A-L. Still?
I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna pass out, Dad. Dad, I'm gonna pass out. Please stop. Please stop laughing. I'm gonna pass out. I lost all the air. Yo, stupid. How did you go down? Please tell me your camera's on.
I don't have a one.
Ah. Seriously, can you bring the flag back? No, but it's all ready to go. Damn it, that means I left it on the fucking fender.
You left my bait on the fender?
Yeah, your worm.
Why?
Because I was gonna put it on once you got it out. Dude, that was such a good cast.
You're lying.
Why?
Because I'm gonna smash the crap out of it.
I thought you meant like get it out of the water.
Hey!
Dude, I don't have him. God, you want to scare me a little more? Jesus Christ, dude. And that already startled me, and then you gotta yell my name like I did something wrong.
The funny thing is, if it was your fish, you would have known it. You didn't need me to tell you.
I don't need nothing. I just saw a bunch of silver. That was that you? Dude, fuck you. Dude, fuck you. I thought I had a fucking fish. And the funny thing is too, is I was thinking if I left it out, I might get a bite. Dude, you know how excited I just got?
I know, but I was really gonna yank it. I was gonna...
But that was the perfect yank. That felt like a real hit.
I know.
What if I would have hooked it? Hook set you right in the hand.
No, I grabbed the line and yanked it and then got away from it.
Dude! What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? You've been doing it.
As a safety feature, I try and sit down. These two marshmallow gingerbread squares are not glued together. So as soon as my butt hits, I go like this because it's this fucking thing. I can't stand anymore. I smashed the fuck out of the
I saw.
I'm glad I caught you at the right time of the day. Had I fallen like that in the morning, though.
We're going off. Oh. Dude, I'm gonna pass out. Oh, I don't even know what it did. You gotta bring it up to me. Oh, an emotion.
You can't just cast. You gotta go. Wow. Lord, so help me God. But some Tommy. Help! I need to know if we're going to be going or if we are just sitting here until you're done with your fucking sandwich.
I had to open my sandwich.
Okay, can we go and can you eat and drive at the same time? You can't drive and drive, drink and drive.
I'll drive and eat. How many things do you think you could do?
Not many. Please go. I am getting a little bit of a headache. Great, straighten it out.
Straighten it out. On the move. Oh! Yeah, that was so funny, huh?
I was trying to get it right on you. And then I thought, if it lands on the sandwich, you might eat it. And that would be really bad.
I'll remember that. Next time you're standing up.
No, you've already, like, stopped my heart 8 times in the last 10 days.
Oh, that's a fish.
Your animal identification skills are awesome.
Oh, that's a good one. I thought I heard a little kid's voice.
Is that Sandy bastard?
I don't get it. I don't get it.
Muddy bitch?
I don't get it.
The lure name.
Spicy beaver.
Okay. I don't have any confidence that you're going to do this. We're going to have to set up a road course in the middle of the lake.
We'll be good. We'll be good. We'll be good.
No. Oh, son of an ass. You are the biggest dick.
Son of an ass.
You are the biggest fucking dick.
For what?
I reel in my line knowing I'm going to put it right where you whip. I paddle the boat to get myself in a perfect position. And Frog Slut comes over and just drops it right where I need to be.
You can go. We need to go left. We need to go right. We're going into the tree.
I'm not going anywhere.
Dude, I've been telling you the trolling motor is in the ground. Ow, my head, my head, my head. My head. My head.
Can you help me?
Dude, hold on.
Can you get a paddle?
Wait, can you just wait, dude? My head hurts so bad. I got a lot of built up pressure. We're gonna have to get speed brake free.
Oh, I think we're good now.
Nope.
What did you just do? You're stuck on that log. Lift the motor.
Okay, I have to get it together first. You have to
Get the pole down.
get me to stop laughing. Okay, the motor's up. Okay, paddle, 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 paddle. It's heavy. I told you not to come in here.
I forget that is fixed down 4 feet.
Where do you want to
happen
go?
to be sitting with it all day long. 4 feet is on your mind. And what do? Drive it right into the bottom of the ground. Think about that?
I told you the whole time we were on the trolling motor. Are we staying here? Where are you gonna cast that?
No. When I pick up this, I'm moving the boat. When I set this down, I'm casting. This looks like a really good spot. Of course it is, because I moved the boat there.
Well, we've been here for an hour.
I just moved it to here.
Where's all the fish?